Gross. Hey, what's up? It's Taylor. Ew, don't do it in that bathroom, you sicko.
I'm not gonna go upstairs, she's cleaning.
Do it in that bathroom.
There's no toilet paper.
There's toilet paper.
I can't pull it.
Oh my gosh, that's so gross. Hey, what's up? It's Taylor. Doing my thing. Going to the zoo today. I'll take video. Vlog. My first like public vlogging. Oh my god. I'm not wearing any makeup at all. Zero makeup. Well, yeah, zero makeup. And I can't go in my room because Naima is upstairs. She's cleaning. Do you like that you're snot on this couch?
No.
I'm pretty sure this is snot on the couch.
Why did you do it?
I'm like 99% sure. Mom, come look at this.
I didn't want anything on the couch.
This is so gross.
Maybe I just
No, it looks like wiping. Like intentional wiping. I'm not going to show you guys. Mom. Kira's Donde. Is that right? Okay, or not. My mom ignores me a lot. She's a teacher, so she just like has this instinct of like ignoring. I don't know. Mom! 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 Ooh. And wake my dreams, let it wash away my sanity.
No.
See?
I am wiping.
It looks like wiping, yeah? Ew, you're smearing it. You're smearing it.
Why are you recording?
Because I have nothing else to do.
Ryan's gonna teach me how to get fresh.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
We're freezing.
I don't know how to Dougie. I don't even know the song. Oh my gosh. 48 hours. I've had 6 hours of sleep. Okay. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I look like awful sauce. Okay.